progressive journalism, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. In today's episode, we'll walk you through where and when the Taliban rose from, their ideology, and their ultimate goal. Taliban, which means students in the Pashto language, is an Afghani military organization with a strong religious ideology. Referring to themselves as the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, they have been engaging themselves in many conflicts and wars with the government and its allies over time. The Taliban was founded by Muhammad Omar in 1994 in northern Pakistan following the withdrawal of Soviet troops from Afghanistan. The majority of members of the Taliban are graduates of extremely conservative Pakistani Islamic madrasas on the Afghan border. A 1998 document by the US State Department confirmed that 20 to 40% of Taliban soldiers are Pakistani. They started rising to power in 1995 by promising to restore peace, security, and enforce their own version of Sharia, Islamic law, once they are in power. Taliban had a strong religious ideology that aimed at declaring Afghanistan an Islamic state. They believed they could do so only after gaining power by conquering the Afghan capital, Kabul. In line with the ideology of declaring Afghanistan an Islamic state, after conquering it, the Taliban banned opium cultivation, cracked down on crime, and enforced strict Islamic laws. Under their rule, women were not only forbidden to study and work but also from leaving their homes. Before the Taliban came into power, education was highly regarded in Afghanistan. However, under their rule, education was restricted, women's education was prohibited, and only Islamic teachings were emphasized. All this went down on until the Taliban refused the American government's requirement, which in turn resulted in the invasion of American troops, followed by the Taliban's downfall. In the next episode, we will cover what the American government wanted from the Taliban and the reason behind their invasion in Afghanistan. To know more, stay tuned to Salar.